I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to log out of Netflix. So if you have the Netflix app and you signed into Netflix and you want to log out, then here's what you can do. So here's Netflix. As you can see, I'm logged in. So to log out or to sign out of Netflix, simply go to the menu on the left hand side and then scroll down to the bottom where it says notifications, and then scroll sideways to this option here that says get help. Select that, and on the get help page, if you scroll down, you'll find the option to sign out. So select that, and that's going to sign you out. It's going to ask if you're sure you want to sign out. Select yes, and that's going to sign you out of your Netflix account on your Hisense VIDAA Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.